So this website that I'm going to share with you is willing to pay you anywhere from $1,000 to $1,600 just for searching Google. That's right. So this website is going to pay you money just by searching Google. And the good thing about this, it is worldwide. So if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, as you can see, there are people making these type of money. Look down here, it's like 50%, and over here 50%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through the process. As I said, if it's your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre. I create brand new videos, and I haven't made a video in a little bit because I was under the weather, wasn't feeling good. I was sick, didn't have the corona, but I wasn't feeling good, and I was extremely busy over these in the last couple of weeks or so. But I'm back again, and I'm ready to produce more content. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the team. All right. So let's get it right away. Now, the website that I want to share with you is a website, right? It is called mindsumo.com. So if you go to, mindsumo.com, mindsumo.com, once you go over here, you will see how you can easily sign up. Well, this particular website, they have been working with a lot of large companies like Delta, there's Pepsi, Johnson and Johnson, Amazon, Allstate, Marriott, Mercedes-Benz, Target, Capital One. So these are big companies in the US. I'm sure some of you probably heard about, if you're worldwide, I'm sure you've heard about Amazon, you've heard about Pepsi, you've heard about Microsoft and those things, and even Yahoo. So this company works with these large companies, and how it works is they basically find people to do a lot of reviews, and they also find people to just search on Google. And then once you search on Google, they're going to pay you, how to do this stuff. So it's more like a contest kind of website, but I'm going to go into details right away. So if you want to sign up, the first thing you want to do, you want to head on over here where it says log in, click on sign up. Once you click on the sign up tab, right, you'll see where it says email address and password, and I'm not a robot. Now, since you don't have an account, the first thing that you want to do, you want to click on where it says I don't have an account. So click on this. Once you click on I don't have an account, this is how the process works. Make sure you put your real name, your first name, your last name, your location. You don't have to put your exact state. You can put United States, you can put your country. That's totally cool. Your email address, make sure it's correct, and also your password. Once you do that, make sure your date of birth is also correct, because they're going to need that due to the algorithm and everything, and they're collecting data. Gender, male, female, you know the deal. Creativity, skills, you want to put average. I would put average. And over here, when it says marketing skills, I would put average as well. And same thing. So for these three answers, you want to put above average. And then if you want to be notified every time a new challenge is launched, you can click on this tab. If you want to receive weekly things in your email, feel free to do that. You don't have to. But the most important ones that you have to click is you read the terms and the conditions. I always say this, take a 5 minute, 2 to 5 minutes, read the terms and the conditions, and then here where it says privacy, you always want to check out these things before you agree to anything. Click on this, certified that I'm not a bot, and then boom, you can sign up. So once you sign up, once you're in, this is what it's going to look like, right? I'm just testing this out. This is a brand new account so you could see. Now here where it says I'm a company or I'm a problem solver. Now you're not a company, so you want to click over here, I'm a problem solver, and it shows you where it says let me introduce myself. So you will see some of these students who have already done it. Some of them use this and pay for their college tuition expenses, which is pretty cool. So they're making money from this to do other things as well. So you can click on where it says view current challenges. So let me just log in, and I'm going to log in real quick. And then once I'm logged in, you're able to do that. Let me try this. Okay. Please check the entries that you have tried. Okay, probably I've clicked on it a couple of different times. But once you get in, right, after you log in and you get in and you click on problem solvers, what it's going to do, it's going to give you a lot of different tasks that you could do, right? So you'll have different categories that you can earn money. As you can see, this person right here, he take a lot of challenges and he already earned, a lot of money. So it's all about challenge. You're gonna have to do the challenges. Once you do the challenges on here, that's how you're gonna get paid. Now, it's gonna be asking you questions, relatively questions about these things, like what are new innovative ways of CPG companies to gather data? Now, you don't know, I don't know. So what we do, you would just copy this question and click on here. You want to copy this question right here, and then you want to head on over to Google. So you can use Google and you can also use Yahoo. So I would come over here, I would paste it in here on Google, click on this, and what's going to happen, you'll see the different answers that are popping up. So you can find different blogs, different articles, things on Quora that you can find that you can use. Now, due to copyright and copyright infringement and those things, you don't want to get into more so of the copywriting. So this is going to take a little bit of time for you to do it. So just find the best answer possible. So I'm going to use this just for the sake of this video. So I'll click on this. And then here, what I would do, I would copy, I would read it first, then copy some of the information. As I said, due to copyright infringement, what we're going to do, we're going to use an app that is called Quill, right? So we're going to be using the app that's called Quill. So Quill Bot, and then what you could do, you can click on where it says paste text, click on this, and then you can paste all the information that you copied. So you could just copy the article, copy this information, and the good thing about this app that it will do most of the work for you. Now, there's going to be errors. There's going to be errors. There's going to be other things that you have to, and they only do up to 700 characters. So as you can see, one paragraph is already full. So you'd have to copy, put it there, paraphrase it. Once you paraphrase over here, you're going to see that there's different things. So it's basically paraphrasing. There's 3 sentences and it's giving you different vibe over here as what works and what doesn't work. So you want to take your sweet little time. You want to go through everything because it's a bot. There's going to be errors. There's going to be mistakes. So take your time, go through it. Once you do that, then you want to head on over back to Sumo. And then once you head over to Sumo, then you can enter. Now you want to enter these things, right? As you can see, the rewards for top tiers, there's 500, there's 200, and also 100. Now you don't have to worry about, okay, you don't have to worry about, yeah, it's good when you get the top prize, but what about all these little prizes? 200, 100 bucks, they add up. So over the course of a month, you can earn anywhere, as I said, from $1,000 to $1,500 just by doing that. So you like challenges like this, you always click, you copy it, and then you paste it. One last thing that I wanted to share with you is you always want to make sure that you verify, right? Verify your email because they're going to send you an email just like this, and it's going to say welcome. You want to make sure that you click on this, verify everything, make sure you fill out all this information, and then once you do that, then you're going to be good to go. So make sure you do it. There's a lot of challenges on here. So it's a challenge. You challenge, you do these challenges, you earn money. But the great way to do it is just searching on Google. So you want to go on Google and you want to search just by copying the answers, and it's going to take you a little bit to search through everything. So it's a great way how you can integrate Sumo with Google, and then both work together. And then once you do that, then you're going to crush it. Now, again, subscribe, like, make sure you become a part of the family. If you're looking for videos like this, again, make sure that you follow, like for more, and check out the first link in the description. And I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and we're back for more.